Instagram, Facebook. You know me, Martin, owner of 202BeToBroke.com. $289.99 to objection journal. So right now I'm getting ready for the holidays. Hey, you know what? Housekeeper's coming and I have not done anything to prepare. So I've come into the bathroom already. I've already cleaned the bathroom. This is a new placemat. I have one placemat that's getting washed. So I have one that I'm going to put out. I have two of these put around the toilet. So I have this one that I'm putting out right now till the other one dries. Today I took it to the next level because I realized, you know what, I don't think my kitchen's clean enough. I don't want to make sure the housekeeper knows to clean it. So see what I've been doing is, I've been going under the stove here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Going under the stove, I think I'm really getting just a lot of wood chips. I don't think it can't be that many crumbs. So let you guys see. See this crumbs? I can't have a housekeeper see that. Look at that. It's nasty. I can't have her think I'm nasty like that. So I'm cleaning that up. I'm out here washing all the dishes, making sure all the kitchen's clean. I have some stuff there. Really not much. I've done a little, I've been cleaning in the corners, making sure they're clean. So when she comes, she said, man, that bird is clean, man. And then I'll pay her $200 basically, and then I was like, I have a really clean house. So look at me, I'm getting under here. She ain't gonna say I'm a dirty nigga, man. Look at that. Clean as shit. Look at me going to town, man. She gonna think I'm a clean. Gonna say that BBC brother is clean, man. So I just thought to show you. We're doing a little bit more for the housekeeper because she's like a month and a half late because I had to cancel one of my appointments. So just got to do extra cleaning before she comes. Talk to you later. Subscribe to objection.com. Do you clean before the housekeeper comes? I just finished shaving. I have the Dollar Shave Club. It's been better on my hair and face when I shave. All right, got to get back to cleaning. Housekeeper's coming next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Gotta go. Get to work.